Make a great choice today with the 2014 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.